Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to activate Mastercard gift card. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing to do is to go to this website, as you can see, which is called balance.mastercardgiftcard.com. And after searching for this link, this page will be available. And all you have to do is very simple. Just put here your card number. It's composed of 16 digits and you have to type with no spaces. Then enter the expiration date or the valid through date. And last thing to provide is the security code on the back of your card, which is also known as CVV. And CVV is an abbreviation for card verification value, or in some cases you can have it with the abbreviation CVC, which is an abbreviation for card verification code. So enter the 3 digits on the back of your credit card. Then all you have to do is to press on continue, and that is all. It's very simple and easy. I hope this video was useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.